To Dr. Vishwas Kelkar. On the onset of your 5th decade in the tourism sector, it gives us, the Parbhanna Foundation, immense pleasure to take this moment to recognize and appreciate your unparalleled passion for travel, your dedication to Indian tourism, and your far-reaching contributions to promote Indian tourism both within and outside India. You are a true pioneer and a visionary who has nurtured the seeds of tourism in our culturally diverse country and created a robust environment for the field to stand strong and flourish. When you embarked on your journey in adventure tourism, it was still a niche area in India and travel facilities were rudimentary. Today, the tourism industry in India is vibrant and ever evolving, having undergone a significant transformation, and you are one of the architects of this transformation. This success story is a tapestry woven with threads of innovation, cultural sensitivity, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. Your motivational speeches, informative articles, and training sessions are a guiding light for industry newcomers. Your work has shaped hundreds of careers and enriched thousands of lives. You have been a mentor and a role model, inspiring countless individuals to embrace the transformative power of travel. You have been the president of the Travel Agents Association for the last 11 years, and your pivotal contributions have been recognized by the Government of India and various state governments on numerous occasions in the form of awards such as the Jeevan Gaurav Award by Lakshadweep Tourism. The Parbhanna Foundation is proud to honor your achievements. This Lifetime Achievement Award is a tribute to your dedication, visionary leadership, and enduring passion for the world of travel. Your journey in Indian tourism has been nothing short of remarkable, and your contributions will forever be remembered and celebrated. We stand in awe of the extraordinary accomplishments you have achieved throughout your career. This award is a small token of our immense gratitude for all that you are and all that you have given to society.